You see those tiny colors that are used to design your powder detergent? This is the video that I'm going to use to teach you how to make it, okay? So like and share this video and let's get started. So we're going to start by measuring our chemicals. As you see in this video, I produced two color speckles, that is two colors, okay? So I'll be measuring out 50 grams of each. You can use other chemicals like sodium sulfate to produce this detergent color speckles, but I'll be using this soda ash light because soda ash light is a base for your powder detergent. Ash light always comes in powdered form, which is light in texture, okay? That is why I'm using this soda ash light. I've measured out the first one and this is the second one that I'm measuring. So like I said, it is 50-50. There is two colors. I'll be making use of blue and pink. Guys, please do me a favor by liking this video. If I deserve a thank you, say thank you in the comment section. The kind of effort I put while making all these videos, going to buy chemicals, coming back, making all these things, editing and all that, and nobody is liking my video to show that at least you love what I'm doing, or maybe you just want to encourage me. It is not okay. Please help me, and I'm just pleading, okay? Please help me and like this video. You can share if you care about me, but liking this video will go a long way. Thank you. So the second chemical I'll be adding is my xanthan gum. So you can use nitro. So as you see in the video, I listed it here. I used just half tablespoon of xanthan gum, so it will serve as a binder. You can use nitro or you can use anti-so. So give it a thorough mix. After that, you move to another stage, of which I'm going to show here. So guys, if you like what I'm doing, follow this video, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So the next thing that will be going in there will be our color. Like I said, I used pink color and I used blue color. This is the normal color that you always see in your detergent. You can also see green, but you see these two colors, you always see it in your detergent whenever you buy it. So I'm going to link how to make powder detergent in this video. I'm going to link it in the comment section, okay? I am making use of two colors here, the blue and the pink, but I found out that this pink one is not original color. In case you are buying a color, make sure you are buying the original one, okay? So after adding the colors here, then you mix it. After mixing it, I'm going to add the blue color here. So you will find out why I say that it is not original. You will see it in this video. Why making both the colors, that is, after mixing it together, you're going to see why I said it is not original, because it didn't come out like the blue one. So once you're done, sprinkle some water in there. You can use tablespoon. You can see what I'm doing here. I use 2 tablespoons for now. I'm still going to add more, okay? Make sure you add it little by little so that you won't get a bad texture, so that you'll be able to get those tiny colors. Just follow this video, okay? Do not add too much, just be adding it gradually, and make sure you follow the way I am stirring it, okay? Because that is going to give you the tiny colors that you see in detergents, okay? That's all these things I'm doing here. Make sure you follow it, both the way I'm stirring. You see why I say that this color is not original. You can see the way I added it and it did not come out. Just keep watching, you will see what happened to the blue color. You can see that I added more, yet nothing came out. So I'm still going to be adding until I get salty pink color that I'm looking for. I would have mixed this in water, but I don't want to waste all these colors, okay? So that's why I'm adding it like this. You can see that I added more again, and I poured water on top of it so that I'll be able to get what I'm looking for, but yet it's not coming out. So please, whenever you are buying your colors, make sure you are buying the original one. Tell them to give you original color. You can see what is happening here. So what is going to form that color speckles you are seeing here is how you are stirring it. If you don't stir it this way, it will not form. So I'm going to use this blue color because this pink did not give me exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to use this blue color to teach you how to stir your your color speckles for it to form very well. So this is the reason I said that this blue color is original. As you can see, I added just little of it at the beginning when I was adding the pink one. So I thought that it's going to do the same thing, and I added this particular. As you can see that I'm dropping this water on this mixture, and you find out that as I am dropping water, those colors were changing. It was changing to blue color. As you can see, this is teaching you that once you buy original color, it's going to come out very well when you are doing it. But if you buy those fake colors, it's not going to come out. You're going to add until you finish adding, and nothing will come out. As you can see, all these colors has grade. They have watercolor, they have oil color, but this is water-based color. Okay, but even at that, even when you are buying a water-based color, you will find out that they are the ones that are fake. But I think this blue color is original, because it's even showing in this video. As I'm stirring, the colors are coming out nicely. If you have watched to this moment, what are you waiting for? Please like, share this video, subscribe, follow this video. In case you are watching it in any of my platform, please follow this video step by step. Do not skip it, because I'm still going to show you how to stir these particular color speckles to get exactly what you want. Okay. Because I got a bad pink color, it made me to add more water, of which I'm looking for the color to come out very well. So but in this particular blue color, I'm not going to add another color, another water in it. Okay, so make sure you make your own texture to be like this. So this is how you stir it. If you want those tiny color speckles, this is how you stir it for it to form very well. You have finished stirring it like this, the next thing you're going to do is for you to leave it for maybe 24 hours for it to get dry. Just sun dry it if you want. Okay, color speckles has formed, so the only thing that we are going to do now is for us to sun dry it. So this is it after 2 hours. You can see that the color has already changed to a brighter color. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.